Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get your e-token from Zenith Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to install Zenith e-token app from your Play Store or App Store according to your device. And the thing that you have to make sure is do not install the Zenith Bank app, which will not give you the access to get your e-tokens. Once you have accessed it, the other step would be for you to tap on this continue option right over here and choose a way you would like to register for. Let's say if you are an individual, you would like to register that way, then you will find this three way for you to register and open your account to receive e-tokens. Hardware token will simply let you have this option of entering your account number, PIN plus token of your Zenith account, and tap on this continue. And if you go back and you tap on this debit card, simply gotta enter the account number and debit card last 6 digit debit card PIN, and again tap on continue to register that way. And the last option would be quick access. Go to the nearest Zenith bank itself and get yourself access to the Zenith e-token account. Once you have tapped on it, you're going to receive an OTP. Once you have confirmed that, you will be able to get yourself your e-tokens just right from over here. Access it from your app itself. That is the way you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.